ProList was founded in 1989, primarily as a data management and data processing company. And over the last 30 years, we've added direct mail services, fulfillment services, and most recently, digital inkjet capability. The challenges we ran into when we first invested in our digital inkjet press were, number one, we really didn't have much of an idea of how to efficiently impose one page on such a large sheet. So we needed a solution that was robust enough to give us all the capability we needed, and it also has to optimize the usage of every sheet of paper.
We came across Ultimate Imposition through a partner of ours, Konica Minolta. Got a digital press from them, the KM1. You know, the unique thing about that press, digital press, is that it's 23-29 sheet size. We got with Konica and we said, look, we need to be able to impose all these jobs. We don't have a pre-press department. How can we do it? And they connected us with Ultimate Impostrip, and the solution was perfect. You know, if you have an 8.5 by 14 letter, you could impose it 4 up, but you're losing paper and ink costs by not being able to get 5 of those legal size letters on a sheet. And we knew that, and we tried to do it ourselves with some of the software we currently have in-house. It just wasn't working. And we knew what we wanted in a solution, and Impostrip actually offered exactly what we wanted. So
the imposition software, Ultimate Impostrip, will automatically impose the job in an optimal way so that we limit the paper waste as much as possible. Impostrip takes care of all the printer's marks, crops, bleeds, whatever other marks are necessary. And the registration is always spot on, perfect. We never have any issues with that. Most of our output is variable, and we have to maintain the proper stack sorts, and that's the other critical thing that Ultimate Impostrip does for us. It keeps the job in the exact sequence it needs to be in for postal pre-sorting and all the way down the rest of the process.
The implementation was pretty easy. I don't really even think about it anymore. At the operator level, it's one drop of a file into a hot folder, so the time there is minimal. We have another solution Ultimate Bindery ties into. Ultimate Bindery creates a JDF PDF and sends it automatically in a hot folder to our Bindery cutting solution, and it works seamlessly. So
the Ultimate Bindery software creates the instructions necessary for our bindery equipment. In our case, it's our 40-inch cutter. Communicates to the cutter exactly what needs to happen on the cutting portion of this job, to the point where the operator sees an image of the piece, the software shows how to rotate the piece on the cutter and automatically adjusts the cutter so it's always making the exact correct cut.
Cutting is a big headache. You have to have experience. So the automated solutions that were being offered, I was like, we have to jump on them. To program 50 cuts into a cutter, you know, even the best person doing it, it's gonna take 20, 30 minutes. You're gonna hope their math is right. You're gonna hope that they actually set the right cuts. But with Ultimate Bindery, we don't have to worry about that. Training is very easy. We can take somebody off the street as a new hire and put them on the machine and show them what to do, and they're off and running on their own right away. We don't have to do jobs twice. We don't have people cutting things wrong. We cut it right the first time, and it's right on point. One of the things we were concerned about with the 23-29 sheet size that we had no experience in cutting at all. Ultimate Bindery seamlessly creates our print-ready files and our cut-ready files. The operator really at that point just has to load the paper and make sure they're turning the paper the right way. We've been using Ultimate Impostrip and Ultimate Bindery for over 1.5 years. It's so easy to use. It's kind of a set it and forget it, and you don't need to use all these other different programs. It's just one solution and it does it all.
I mean, in the end, it's better quality, less labor, happier customers, and a better bottom line. The importance of an end-to-end automated workflow is critical in our business, and the staff at Ultimate has really been dedicated to our success from day one.